The toolbox at the Dance Exchange is both a noun and a verb. It's a noun because it's a thing, and we offer it. You can come to our site, you'll be able to come to this site, you'll be able to get the tools, they exist. But it's also a verb in the sense that we have a way of thinking about how ways of learning turn into methods, turn into action.
I've found that bringing Ferocious Beauty Genome and the toolbox items from the Dance Exchange into the classroom can get students who are usually not involved interested, and to get them thinking about science.
The students in the classroom at the beginning of class are using the Ask a Question tool to review what we've been discussing in lectures that week, and to set themselves up ready to move into the problem-solving, problem-based learning part of the class.
In some instances, starting with a clip from Ferocious Beauty Genome has been very effective. But in other instances, using some of the toolbox items on their own, like Ask a Question or Walk and Talk, is particularly useful for getting students to think not just about scientific processes, but also about interdisciplinary issues at the intersection of science and society, for example. Being able to get students to think about ethics using the Walk and Talk or their Ask a Question toolbox has been very successful. Because instead of me presenting what ethics is, I can ask the students what they think ethics is.
So I hope that these tools and these ideas help you find a way to support those students who seem to be excited because they hear music. It's a doorway to something more, but it won't just be the music. It's going to also be the way they come to think because of the music. Maybe they'll enter through the movement. Maybe they'll enter through a story. And maybe they'll enter through the numbers. All of that is fantastic.